Dear students, on third page of your book for the matter chapter, again the comparison of solid, liquid and gases are given. Some properties are explained. The same properties which already explained in second page are explained in third page through diagram. Let us once again compare these solid, liquid, gases one by one. Interparticle space means in case of solid the distance between particles is less, but in case of liquid it is more than solid. In case of gases it is most, means they are very far away from each other. Through diagram these interparticle space in solid, liquid and gases are explained here. And arrangement of atoms or molecules in solid, once again it is given here. Compactly packing means particles are touching with each other. In case of liquid the particles have space between them. In gases the particles have more space between them. Movement of atoms or molecules is only vibration type of motion. Here continuous motion, here random motion, free motion. Interparticle attraction between atoms means they have a strong force of attraction. In case of solid there is a little bit less attraction as compared to solid. In case of gas the attraction is very less, they are free to move. And due to these 3 points, once again see these points one by one. In case of solid there is a solids are therefore highly rigid. Why? Because of more attractive force, cannot be compressed. Why? Because already they are having strong force of attraction, no space between them, so therefore they cannot be compressed, they cannot be pushed, their volume cannot be decreased, even their volume cannot be increased also. So therefore they have definite volume, they have definite shape also. There is infinite number of free surfaces, do not diffuse. Why? Because there is no movement of particles, so therefore intermixing cannot take place. But in case of liquid also have definite volume. Why? Because the particles have attraction less than solid, but not much less. They cannot leave any matter, they remain within the liquid, they cannot leave liquid, therefore the volume remains same. They do not have definite volume, they have definite volume but they do not have definite shape, because it depends on the shape of container. Only one upper surface remain free and diffuse with the other liquids easily. In case of gases do not have fixed volume, definite volume, they do not have fixed shape, there is no free surface, and the rate of diffusion is very fast. After this, on the basis of third term, that is energy possessed by particles, the kinetic energy which is due to the motion of particles. In case of solid, the solids are fixed on their places, therefore there is no motion, it means kinetic energy is least, negligible. Kinetic energy of the particles of the liquid have little bit motion, and that's why the kinetic energy of the liquid is large as compared to solid. In case of gases, the interparticle space is very large, intermolecular attraction is very least, therefore they are almost free, therefore they can move freely in a high speed randomly, and that's why the kinetic energy is highest, very large.